How do you provide a tool for rehabilitation therapists so that they can get their patients to practice more functional exercise with the arm? If you're weak, it's really hard and it's boring to try to move your arm. And so what we try to do is create an environment that you can go into. It provides some assistance, it provides motivating games, it provides quantitative feedback. We're hoping it would be a device that people all around the world could use to improve their movement recovery.